Hello everyone, this is Shashank, captain of Team Falcon Cruiser. Team will be participating in an e-bike challenge which comes under skill, innovation and employability program. This is organized by ISIEINDIA India and Hero Electric. This is the third season conducted by ISIEINDIA India and Hero Electric, and we are participating for the second time to this event.
Hello everyone, this is Khalil, Vice Captain of Team Falcon Cruiser, MVJ College of Engineering, Bangalore. Our team of 20 members consists of innovative engineers of different domains who share the same goal of making e-bike mobility a futuristic technological trend among the futuristic generation.
Team Falcon Cruiser.